Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Today on my workbench I have an onion cutter from Royal Catering. So first let's see the device in action, let's see how it works. I have some onions, all you have to do is just put them on a cutting surface and just with some force pull the lever up, just like that. So as you can see, it does require a little force and you need to hold it down, but then again it speeds the whole process up a lot, especially when you need a lot of onions, like in a salad bar or in a hotel on a salad section with lots of guests. You have to be prepared for your buffet. So after your cutting, it's time for cleaning, and that's the best moment to get into all those single parts to talk you through it. All right, in order to disassemble, you just pull the lever up, pull the pin on the lever, it goes out quite easily, just like that. Drop these two. You can disassemble these two if you need it, but this basically gives you access to your pusher. You can disassemble the pusher simply by pulling another pin, just like that. That releases the pusher, leaves you with the lever handle. If you need to clean it, just pop it in the dishwasher. It's all dishwasher safe. And well, pulling this unit, and this unit is also you can disassemble it by unscrewing it. So if you need to clean it thoroughly, you can disassemble it down to its basic parts. Pulling the lever out, which is guided by these two stainless steel rods, gives you access to your cutting units. These cutting units have an aluminium frame. The blades themselves are all stainless steel and they're serrated for this really nice and smooth cut. They have a set thickness of about 8.5 millimeters, but there's a really cool feature. You can actually have two thicknesses. Namely, when you put these two on top, the blades are not overlaying. So you can either do it with one or with two, one for thicker slices and double for thinner slices. And this actually brings me down to its very base. Obviously, it's all aluminium with steel parts, so you can pop it in the dishwasher. Just make sure you oil it up a little bit, for example, the guiding rods for better smooth operation. You can disassemble the feet, and the feet for additional safety and stability have these rubber bottoms, so it won't move around on the workbench too much, at least. Alright, so let me just quickly summarize. The device, perfect for salad bars or salad section, really easy operation. It speeds the whole process up and you don't need qualified workforce to achieve always perfect slices of the same thickness. Alright, so if you're looking for onion cutters or vegetable cutters, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of these devices on offer, of different sizes, different shapes, different cutting blades as well, so you definitely will stock up and equip your salad bar. This device comes with a 3-year warranty, and the producer made sure it will be delivered to your place in a top-notch condition. They send it in a really tough cardboard box with additional cardboard for a snug fit so it won't rattle around during transport. Also inside you will find an instruction manual with information on how to reassemble the machine, how to clean it properly and how to maintain it. So definitely a good read, make sure you have a look at it. If you found this information useful and you're looking for kitchen equipment, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test and show you, and I'll do it for you. On my behalf, I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.